What about the fairy bridge? Is that a modern invention?
That's a modern invention, yes. The real reason for that is it goes back to Catholic days when Rushen Abbey owned all the land right up to the river at Santon there, where the big bridge is, not this little small bridge. That's only put there so the coaches can be parked peacefully without disturbing the traffic. And of course they had a Calvary there in those days. And the Manx people passing it would either pass from the church land onto the secular land or vice versa, probably raise their hats or maybe cross themselves, something like that. After the Reformation this became unfashionable, but old practice dies hard. We have a Manx saying, Manach vau cleachta cleachta ni cleachta co, which means if custom is not indulged with custom, custom will weep. And they still took their hats off where this Calvary or crucifix was, but when people said, what are you doing that for? That's not allowed today. They said, oh, I was just saying good night to the fairies. And that's how the legend of the fairy bridge actually originated. But it was the big bridge over the river, which is the boundary between the parish of Maloo and Santon, not that little culvert under the road, which the visitors are now happily told this is the fairy bridge. And as a matter of fact, it's actually got a sign on it.